Here I'm going to share refer code for cash.app. Here is a for fresh coupon code for cash app you can use right now, so you will simply get free money by using that uh, refer code which I am going to share you right now. So simply use this as at in the refer code section, and you will get money by using that refer code. So just watch this video till end. You just need to add the refer code, and it is working on all countries. So here is a for fresh referral code for cashup.com which is working right now. And if you want more videos like this, simply subscribe to my channel and appreciate my work by simply hitting that like button. If you want more videos, simply comment down below. So here is a for fresh refer code for cash.app you can use right now. So here we go.